Hello, welcome to my channel TechMix. Today I show you how to fix error code E017 in Forza Horizon 6. If you find this useful, make subs and like. Then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So I'll show you 2 to 3 methods of how you can fix that error. The first method is you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go to your C drive, Windows, System 32 here, and then you're going to go to your drivers folder here, and then into ETC. Here, you're going to have this hosts file. Now, what you can do is you're either going to rename this file or you're just going to delete this file. And after that, now you can restart your computer and check if that fixes the issue. If it did, then good. If it didn't, then the next thing you can do is you can turn off metered connection from your internet settings. So if you have metered connection turned on, your game has trouble connecting to the internet. So just open up your start menu, right here, network and internet. You're going to go into your network connection here. If you have an internet connection, it should say Ethernet. And if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. Click it, and then you're going to have this metered connection option here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to turn it off if you have it turned on. So just have it turned off. And after that, now you can go ahead and try to play Forza Horizon 6. And you'll see that your game will most certainly work now. If it still doesn't, then the last thing you can try to do is if you have debloated your Windows using Chris Titus tool or WX-Shutup10, you may have to re-download that tool and restore the default settings on your Windows. So just re-download that tool and restore your settings. And after that, you should be able to play Forza Horizon 6.